I think that a lot of people apologize too much at work, that it takes away their credibility and puts them into an inferior state of mind. What do I mean? I've heard so many people say something like, I'm sorry for having disturbed you. I need to invite you to this meeting. I'm sorry for keeping you way too long. Here's my response to this email. And it's okay to say sorry once in a while, but not to the point that it takes away your ability to negotiate or get some leverage on the negotiation table. So my recommendation, instead of saying apologies or sorry, replace it with gratitude. Say thank you. Thank you for attending this meeting. Thank you for picking up my call. I appreciate your time. Thank you for waiting patiently. Here's my response. You're graceful, but you're still in command at the same time. You're not begging and you're not desperate for attention. Remember, choice of words do matter. If you want to be treated like a leader or a manager, you have to act and speak like one.